Hey guys, it's me, your boy. Quick Minecraft tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to open a door with redstone. Well, first of all, let's close these doors and get yourself some redstone.
Hold on, let me just finish this scene real quick because it's getting to the part where he like takes it up. Yeah, so let me just finish this real quick, and then once they get to the cum shot part, I'll help you out.
And then you're just gonna right click and place the
Oh
redstone
yeah, it's
down.
Dillian Harper. She has like the best scenes ever.
And then that's how you open up a door with redstone.
Riley Reid is okay though.
If you like this video, please leave a comment. And don't forget to press the like button. Um, and, hit that bell icon if you
Oh
like.
shit, I left my mic unmuted.
Oh, this is my brother, Johnny 3.
You didn't hear any of
He
that, did you?
no, we didn't hear anything. I didn't hear it. So I think we're good. If you like this video, subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. Um, let me show you one more time. I'm just gonna pick this up. If you place this torch on the floor next to the door, it'll open the door, and then when it's off, it will not open the door. It'll keep the door closed. So let me just demonstrate by just right click it on the ground. Boom.
Ow.
Opened. Um, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, like I said, you guys can click on that subscribe button, and you guys can get notifications only if you press that
Hey
bell
Travis.
icon. Yeah,
Hey
what's up, my bro?
Travis.
Yeah,
Hey, it's me, the director.
yeah, what's up?
Um,
I'm doing what you said.
I'm just checking. You're making the videos 5 minutes long, right?
Yeah, no, I'm trying to stretch it out as much as possible. I'm just showing you how to place a redstone torch next to a door and open it.
Okay, yeah. Just try and make it as long as possible because if these videos are too short, we won't get as much money. So just checking up on you, making sure everything's going okay.
All right, yeah, everything's fine.
All right.
Would you like to give the step-by-step instructions on how to open a door with redstone? I'll demonstrate physically. You just have to say it.
All right. So first, you're gonna want to put some powder, redstone powder, on the ground.
No, we're not that fancy. We just got a redstone torch and a couple of doors here.
Oh, okay. So you put a door down on the ground.
Right, yep, right there. You just put this door. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and then right next to it, you try to put down a redstone torch.
I won't I won't try. I will. And boom, the doors are open. Like I said, if you like this video, leave a comment saying how much you like it. If you guys want to subscribe to this channel, you guys can do that too. It's free. Hit
All
that
right,
bell
well,
icon.
doing a great job, Travis. Now you keep
Um,
going.
if
All
you
right,
if
we'll
you
be
like
in the
this
other room.
video, press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe because these videos take a lot of effort. My next video is gonna be about how to be a famous YouTuber, Minecraft YouTuber. Uh, Let me just show you one more time in case you guys forgot. I'm gonna put it next to each individual door, and you guys will see how it affects it individually. See how it opened. Um, I got some company now, so